Hey guys, Pamela Price here. As we're moving out of 2024 and into 2025, I always start thinking about what are some of my goals for next year and what can I start to put into place to help equip me to better reach those goals more efficiently? How can I make new connections? What kind of tools or things can I learn to help myself become better or equip my team to be better for my business for next year? And one thing that has really helped me, and I always take time and invest energy, time and money, is attending in-person events for myself and my beauty business. And one thing that really changed the trajectory of my spray tanning business was attending a conference. The first conference was the ASDP in Las Vegas. And ever since then, I've committed to going to something every single year. And every single year, I meet somebody new, a new opportunity arises, a door opens, a great connection is made, a new skill is learned, a new product becomes, into my awareness. And it has always been helpful. And that's great, but I've had to go to Las Vegas, Texas, LA, San Diego, and I love to travel for work. However, there's nothing like this in Toronto. So myself and Desiree from Honey Kissed Studios are putting together an event that is going to help our spray tan and beauty business community, fellow artists, get together and do just that. So we want to create a space where you can learn, network, be inspired, win prizes, have drinks with the girls, and just have a great time and hopefully help you achieve your goals in your business, because I know it has helped me. And this is why we're putting ourselves out there and putting all the work in behind the scenes to put something together for you guys. So this is happening on February 8th, and I'm super excited. We have some great sponsors lined up, and I know it's going to be a really impactful day filled with learning, community. We're going to be covering everything from 5-star flawless spray tan application into some more advanced techniques like spray tanning with clear solution for brides. We're going to be covering HVLP and airbrush contour spray tanning. And of course, we have to cover content creation, marketing. We're going to have a photographer there, a videographer. We have, like I said, prizes and giveaways, and it's going to be an epic day. It is a very intimate space. It's happening at Vintage Loft, located in Whitby. It is so cute. However, that means there are limited tickets. And because we want it to be really impactful, it is going to be that intimate group so that you guys can really ask questions and get in there and take away as much as possible. So if this is something that that you've been wanting to do, or maybe you haven't been able to attend the events out of country, then this is the perfect opportunity for you. It's not too late to grab your ticket.